Hey guys, we have a lot of people asking how to measure a door, so I'm going to really quick run through the best way to get your door measured. So we're going to measure the width first. This opening is 105 inches, so that equates to 8 feet 9 inches. What we do on this door, we want the door to be bigger than the opening, so we would install a 9-foot door, so we have an 1.5 inch overhang on each side of the door. And then on our height, you want the height to be pretty close to what the opening is on your door. So if your opening is 6 feet 11 inches, which this one is 83 inches, then we would do a 7-foot door. I hope this gives you some tools to be able to go measure your own garage and see what size of door you have.